Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's start this video. So guys, please turn on the subtitle of this video. So let's start this video. So today we're gonna talk about the famous celebrity Hyde, the Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, in the WWE. And here we talked about how to list and comparing it with the couple of celebrities. So let's start this video. Dwayne Douglas Johnson, born on May 2, 1972, also known by his ring name The Rock, is an American actor, producer, retired professional wrestler, and former American football and Canadian football player. Widely regarded as one of the greatest professional wrestlers of all time, he wrestled for the World Wrestling Federation WWF, later WWE, for 8 years prior to pursuing an acting career. His films have grossed over $3.5 billion in the net worth, and the North America has over 10.5 billion worldwide, making his one of the world's highest grossing actors. So this is about his some of the achievements, and let's talk about how tall is he. The his build height in the WWE or WWF is the 6 feet and 5 inches, but it is not actually tall. His actual height is 6 feet 3.5 or 6 feet 4 inches. 6 feet 4 inches is real height. And let's start this video with and comparing it with the couple of celebrities. So first picture on your screen is that. So guys, in the first picture you see in the Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, is standing together with the John Cena. The John Cena height is build height is 6 feet 1 inch, and here you can say that they are almost same, and the John Cena is some chest upwards, and here you can say that he has the as the same height. In the second picture with the John Cena, there is also the same height as the John Cena. So would you guys think that what happened? The dog is the 6'4" and Johnson is 6'1". What is the difference between them? Because they are say same height. So guys, in the third picture with the John Cena, there is also the rock as the same height as the John Cena, and the in the fourth picture, the rock is same height as the John Cena. So this is had happened because the John Cena is straightened up his chest upwards, and the Rock is saying towards the John Cena into the eyes, and the therefore he gained 1.5 inches, and looked at the same height as the Rock, and wearing some big sneakers. So that's why his height is the tall. Guys, next picture on your screen, the Rock with the Johnson, and Johnson is wearing it also, and in the hat. That's why the Rock in this picture is 1 inch taller than the John Cena. The next picture on your screen. So guys, the next picture on your screen, the Rock, Dwayne Johnson, standing in front of the Sheamus. The Sheamus build height is 6 feet 5, and the real height is 6 feet 3 inches. And here you can say that they both are same height as. Therefore, you can say that the Rock is 6 feet 3.5 inch tall in his real height. The next picture on your screen, the Rock standing in front of the Jinder Mahal. Jinder Mahal is a great wrestler from the India, and the here you can say that his build height is 6 feet and 4 inches, and here you can say that he is almost as same height as the Rock. Here you can say that the Rock is actually 6 feet 3 or 6 feet 4 inches tall. The next picture on your screen, the Rock, Dwayne Johnson, standing in front of the Randy Orton. The Randy Orton build height is the 6 feet and 5 inches tall, and his original height is the 6 feet and 3 inches or 4 inches, and standing in front of Rock. Here you can say that he is a I think the Randy Orton is 1 inch taller than the Rock. In the next picture, you can also see in this picture they both are standing together, and the Randy Orton is 1 inch taller than the Rock. So guys, the next picture on your screen is with the Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, standing with the Beast incarnate, the Brock Lesnar. The Brock Lesnar is a UFC champion, and his height is the build height is 6 feet 3 inches, and his true height is 6 feet 3 by 4 inches. And here you can see that the Rock is half inches taller than the Brock Lesnar. So guys, in the another picture you can say that the Brock Lesnar and the Rock is fighting, and here you can say that the Rock is 1 inch taller than Brock Lesnar in this picture. The next picture you can also say that the Rock is tall than the uh, Brock Lesnar 1 inch. In the another picture, the Rock is standing with his small brother Rhombus range. The rhombus range height is the 6 feet 3, and here you can say that the rock is half inch taller than the rhombus range. In the another picture on your screen, in the another picture you can say that the Romarines and the rock standing together. Here you can say that the rock is literally 1 inch taller than the Romarines. In the next picture on your screen, the rock is standing back to back with the Romarines, and here you can say clearly 1 inch taller than the Romarines. In the next picture on your screen you can see that the rock is standing with the Shane McMahon. The Shane McMahon height is 6 feet 2 inches, and the rock is literally 1 inch taller than the Shane McMahon. In the next picture, you can say that the Shane McMahon, Vince McMahon, and the rock is standing together. And here you can say that in this picture they all are younger in age, and you can say that here is the rock is 1 inch or 1.5 inch taller than the Shane McMahon. So see the next picture on your screen. The next picture on screen, this rock is standing with the Triple H. The Triple H build height is the 6 feet and 4 inches, and the real height is 6 feet 2 by 3 by 4 or 6'3" majorly. And here you can say that the rock is half inch taller than the Triple H. In the another picture on your screen, you can also see that the rock is a half inch taller than the Triple H. The next picture on your screen, the rock is standing with the Triple H and literally bend, little bit bend, and then therefore also he is 1 inch taller than the Triple H. Here you can say that the rock is 6 feet 3 or 6 feet 4 inches tall in the real life. Guys, the next picture on your screen, the rock is standing with the Nick Jonas and the Kevin Hart. The Kevin Hart is small and his height is 5 feet 2, and Nick Jonas is 5 feet 7 inch tall, and the rock here you can say the actually 6 feet 3 inches tall. The next picture on your screen, you can say that the Alba standing with the rock and hugging together. Here you can say that the Idris Alba is 6'2", and here you can say that the rock in this picture is 6'3". And the next picture on your screen, the rock is standing with the Sylvester Stallone. The Sylvester Stallone height is the I think 5 feet 11 majorly, and I do a video of the Sylvester Stallone. If you not see the video, I link give in the description. You can check out the video. I given a link in the description, and here you can say that the rock in the real life is 6 feet 3 or 3 by 4 or 6 feet 4 inches majorly. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. And guys, thanks for watching.